Today we're going to be repairing a buzzing electric motor. This is the motor to this whole thing rather, is a Air King branded box VN. It's more or less a Lasco 3733 from the 90s. I think the Air King model number is 9723 perhaps. It's a typical Marco motor, shaded pole, very common motor that Lasco used in the 90s. I went through this whole fan, washed up all the parts, lubricated the bearings, I did a quick spray of varnish on the motor, put it back together, and it's making a buzzing sound. So many people at this point would just say, put it back together, the buzzing sound can't be heard over the wind noise, it's fine. That's wrong. If it doesn't sound right, it's not right. You have to stop and figure out why. Okay, now that's cleared up. I've already figured out why, and I want to show you why, because this is a very interesting and pronounced example of what's going on. So first I'll demonstrate the sound, and then I'll give you the visual of what's causing that sound, and then I'll explain why it's a catastrophic problem that needs to be repaired. Okay, that higher frequency buzzing sound is the problem. We should not be hearing that sound. What that sound is a wire, a piece of the winding, vibrating. Let me see if I can zoom in. I can see it in person. Hopefully we can see it on the video as well. I want to really get a good picture of this because it's not often that you actually can visualize the problem like this so dramatically. Alright, I think we got a good shot of it now. This stinking thing will stay in the focus. I might have to get some more light. Okay, there we go. See that? You see that wire vibrating? Dang it, it just went out of focus again. That's the source of the noise. That is bad for a multitude of reasons. There's a couple of failure modes that can cause. One of the things that can cause is the vibration from that winding moving up and down. The wire can just snap eventually. It'll take some time, but the wire can eventually just snap off, and then the motor goes open circuit and no longer works. The other thing that can happen is the insulating varnish can wear off the winding where it's contacting when it vibrates, and over time the motor can what's called short out, because the insulating varnish breaks down to the point where the electricity is flowing through that wire onto what it's touching, and it's not supposed to do that. So we're going to go ahead and repair this today. So we need to remove the blade. We're going to detach the motor from the frame. We'll open the motor up, take it apart, and we're going to varnish that area heavily to solve the problem. So when we're done with this, there will be zero buzzing noises coming from this motor, which is the way it's supposed to be. And this is a repair shop of excellence. Things do not leave here until they are the way they're supposed to be. excess oil dripping out here to swipe that off before it gets all over the table. Alright, let's see where our problem is. The problem is this right here. That's what's making our noise. That wire. So, we got to figure out, see if we can kind of move this down and get it more firmly in place. That actually probably solved the problem by itself, just moving it down like that. But now that we've moved it down, we're going to go ahead and varnish it in place so that it doesn't move again and then start vibrating. Yeah, that should seal in place pretty good now. Here's the varnish that we're going to use. This is the SprayOn EL600 clear insulating varnish, or the varnish. I've already gone over all this stator with the varnish, so we're only going to do this one part that's causing problems. Really put a nice thick coat on there. Now we'll put it back together, let it dry, and we'll test it in the morning. I suspect we will hear no more buzzing sounds. Alright, let's get this back into place. If you feel the need to speed up the drying process, which I don't, you can get a variac and run this at a low voltage with nothing on this, just disassembled like this, just to heat it up a little bit so it dries faster. I'm in no rush, it can wait until tomorrow. Why is that colliding with the... I've already added the lubrication the last time I had this open, so we don't need to add any more. It's the next day now. The varnish has had plenty of time to dry. Let's see if we have any more buzzing sounds. Nope. It's quiet now. Seems like this is running pretty well too. Yeah, the medium is extra strong on this one. Go figure.